Hi everyone, today we are going to see one of the mission coding round interview question, that is carousel creation. Um, Here's a simple demo of the carousel. So basically some images are getting um, next like this. Like when you click on next, it will go to next images, and also when you go to the previous, it will go to previous. This is similar to when we see some Amazon website or Flipkart website. Like we can see this thing, right? We have some banners, and when we click on next, it will go to the next one, right? This is called carousel. So today we are building kind of this. Yeah, so let's get started. So I have already data, which is the items, and now we are going to create a components. Create, I mean, a carousel component. Yes. Return statement. Export it. Carousel. And import it the app.js. Should work fine. Error in app.js. And I think there is some mistake. Carousel. Okay, it is correct only. Probably some website mistake. Okay, now we have the carousel and all. So we'll try to create initially the buttons for this one, right? Previous button and the next button. This is previous button. This is next button, right? And inside this we have a div where we show the image, right? Source we need to take from this data part. So what we'll do is we'll import that first. Import items from data. Items. So basically in items we have four things. One is ID, image URL, and title and description, right? So in this source we'll try to add some items. Let's take first item and then image URL. Yeah, we got that. And we'll try to make some attributes, height and width for this one. Height should be like 250 pixel. this 400 pixel. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, now we'll do the same thing for title as well as description. So currently we are just checking out the first image of the data. Okay, we have all these things. Okay, now so basically when we click on next or previous, it should handle some kind of functionality, right? So for that we'll try to create a function for both of these. This will call as previous handler, and for this next handler, right? And we'll try to create those functions separately. Previous handler, next handler. Okay, previous handler. Okay. Okay, so basically this current state should change to next item next item. So for that we'll try to have some state variable constant like current item, set current item equal to use state of. So initially I should point to first item only, right? So let's give it as 0 only, and we'll import that use state manually. Okay, now instead of 0 we'll try to point to the current item, so that it is not static, it is like kind of dynamic thing, right? It is working fine. Now let's first write the functionality for the next handler. So in this we are going to set the next current item. It depends on current item, just add one to it, right? So whenever we click on the next item, it will go to next. Okay, and next, and we see some error. So basically it is kind of the array out of bounds. So basically we have only 3 images, but it's going to till fourth image, right? So for that we add some base condition for this, like if the current item reaches the last item in the list, that is items dot length, last item is in the list, then again we set that current item to 0 only, so that otherwise we are going to move to the next item, right? Yeah, let's see if it's item 1, item 2, item 3, then again item 1. It is working fine. Now let us see similar to the previous handler also. Previous handler also it's similar, just that you need to go backwards. So basically if it reaches 0 and then we click on the previous, then it should point to the last item in the list, right? Last item in the list. Let's try that. Okay, item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay, item 2, item 1, item 3. Okay, it is working fine. Now like when we see the Flipkart website, right, it is even though you're not clicking, it is going next to next, right? So for this we'll try to do the same thing in our simple project, right? We'll try to make use of use effect. So basically what we are doing is we are setting some interval, so that basically here after every 1 second, after every 2 seconds it's getting changed, right? So in our case also we'll do the same thing. So basically use effect, so here let's try to create some of timer in this, and then we'll try to set the interval. This interval, let's take it as 2 seconds, and like after 2 seconds it should go to the next item, right? For that, okay, use effect is not imported. Let's use effect. Okay, manually imported. So it should go to the next handler, right? So let's make use of this function, next handler. And is not defined. Where is this? N is not defined. Oh, okay, probably some this website mistake. Let's try to reload it and see. Okay, it is working fine. So see, after every 2 seconds it's getting changed automatically, even when we are not. So basically, oh yeah, I forgot. So basically every time it is based on the current item, right? Dependent on the current item. See, even though when we are not clicking, it is automatically taking to the next item, right? And it's better to clear the interval like every time it, right? It's better clear interval of this timer so that it won't enter into the loop creating intervals and all. We need to clear it. Yeah, it is working fine. Yeah, that's it. You can like kind of, it is automated, and also you can switch to like manually do it as well. So both things it is working fine, right? Yeah. Yeah, this is all about the Carousel project, simple project. Thanks for watching. Bye.